You want to know how I made $5,000 in just a few weeks? It wasn't by winning the lottery or getting a huge inheritance, it was by selling an online course. Today, I'm going to share with you the steps I took to create and sell my course, so you can start making money too. Hi, my name is Vikonk, and I'm a digital marketing expert. For years, I've been passionate about digital marketing. I've spent countless hours learning everything there is to know about it, and I've helped many people along the way. But it wasn't until recently that I realized I could turn my expertise into a profitable online course. Step 1. Identifying the need. The first step I took was to identify the need for my course. I researched what other courses were out there, and what they were missing. I talked to people who were interested in learning more about my topic, and asked them what they wanted to know. I used this information to create a course that was unique, valuable, and in demand. Step 2. Creating the course. Next, I started creating the course itself. I broke down the information into easy-to-digest modules, and created engaging video lessons to teach each concept. I made sure to include plenty of practical examples and exercises, so students could apply what they were learning in real life. Step 3. Marketing the course. Once the course was ready, I started marketing it. I created a landing page that explained what the course was all about, and included a video trailer to give people a taste of what they could expect. I also reached out to my network of colleagues and friends, and asked them to help spread the word. Step 4. Launching the course. Finally, I launched the course. I offered a special early bird discount to incentivize people to sign up early, and created a sense of urgency by setting a deadline for the discount. I also hosted a webinar to answer any questions people had about the course, and to provide additional value to potential students. All of these steps paid off. I made $5,000 in just a few weeks from selling my course. But more importantly, I was able to help people learn more about the topic of your course, and make a difference in their lives. If you're passionate about a topic and have expertise to share, creating an online course could be the perfect way to monetize your skills.